So I'm gonna do a quick strut replacement. So I take out the wheels first. So my plan is to take the wheel out first, put PV blaster on this side so that I could easily pull it out or slide it out. That one too. It's a number 18 bolt or a nut. Then there's a sway bar end link here. And then once that's done, it's possible that I need to loosen that bushing over there. It's also possible that you don't need that. Once you take this out and then loosen this one, it's possible that you have more space in here to like move it up. Probably this control arm might have a busted bushing, so we'll know later. So I got the sway bar out. You have to use a wrench to hold it up here, and then a 5/8 socket to loosen this one. Then once that's out, I could actually go in here and try to loosen this. It will take a lot of pounding. So to remove the 3 nuts on top of the strut, we'll just use a box end over here on one of this. You don't need to take out the strut bar. Then you could use this. You could remove this without any problems. Now this one should yeah. So I got the strut out. We need to compress this, and we're gonna take out this nut over here. Yep. Yeah, this one still seems to be okay. Yep. It's not leaking compared to the driver's side. So getting out the innards of the so this is your bearing plate. Yep, got the bearings in there. I'm gonna put grease on that one. This is the bolt. This is one over here, and this is your foam, I think. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna take out this one. This one's still okay. So it's only on my driver's side that's actually bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's bad. It's really soft.
What is that called?
So this one is actually bad. Yep. Yeah, it's like oil all over. So that's why my steering is off, because of that one. So I'm going to transfer the rubber insulator. To the new one. Yep, the new one is Bilstein. So there's like a dimple there, and they will just like align. Okay, got the new one installed. So basically you have to take note of that end point and this end point over here. and I just use an impact to tighten this one. You don't need like a hex or a Torx to hold it. Basically, you just like do a burst in an impact, and it will just tighten. Put it over here. That one should align on the slot of the knuckle, and this one should align on top. So there's like a plate in here, so it's easier to position the strut first. And yeah, there's an alignment here. Yep, that should be on that hole. So yep, that's it. So we're gonna put the strut into the knuckle and make sure that those ridges line up on this one. So I got it all tightened up. Yep. Slot is aligned with the stuff in here. Yep. So yep, that's my mark that it's okay, and that's yep. So everything is fine. So this bushing, I don't need to adjust it because it should remain the same as what I have before. Then I'm gonna tighten this one. See, this one is up now.